How do you care for your ring? I'm glad you asked. Here at Manly Bands, we recommend you clean your ring with mild soap and water to keep that manly band looking great for years to come. I'll go over some specific details here, but check out more details down below. Let's talk about Damascus steel. Damascus steel is beautiful. However, we do recommend that you avoid going swimming in the ocean or your backyard pool, as these rings can oxidize over time. If you happen to get a little bit of oxidation on your ring, we recommend cleaning it with baking soda and a soft toothbrush. Speaking of baking soda, it's a great way to clean our meteorite rings, which are made almost of 100% iron. So over time, they can oxidize, but a quick clean with a toothbrush and some baking soda and they'll be looking good as new. Now let's talk about diamonds. We recommend just a quick clean with some mild soap and water, but we do not recommend placing them into an ultrasonic cleaner, as vibrations in the cleaner can loosen the stones over time. Every now and again, we do recommend you take your ring in to have the stones checked by a jeweler to make sure they're secure and fastened in the ring. Gold, a lot of gold rings out there. Gold over time can show some scratches and wear. So if you take it into a jeweler, they can buff out those scratches and that gold ring will look brand new. Let's talk about tungsten and ceramic rings. Tungsten and ceramic can easily be cleaned with mild soap and water. Please be aware that tile floors are tungsten's kryptonite, so take it off in the bedroom, not the bathroom. We also have interesting materials made out of wood, antler, and dinosaur bone. These rings are sealed, but we do recommend you avoid activities like swimming or showering with your ring on. That's why we give you a sweet silicone band. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is some of the most futuristic materials we have on Manly Bands. We do recommend, however, avoiding contact with harsh chemicals, as it can hurt the ring.
What's a harsh chemical?
Corey's burps. Cobalt chrome, let's talk about that. Cobalt chrome is one of our most durable materials we make rings out of. We recommend a quick cleaning with soap and water to keep this band looking great. Black zirconium is one of the most popular materials we have here at Manly Bands. We recommend a quick cleaning with mild soap and water to keep that bad boy shining for years to come. Titanium. Titanium is an extremely lightweight, strong metal that we make some of the best rings out of here. We recommend a quick cleaning with mild soap and water to keep that titanium band looking great. Some of our rings here at Manly Bands have intricate designs. We recommend taking a soft toothbrush to get into those tight spaces to keep them nice and clean.